Hey, what's up, guys? Paul Starling here. Today we're talking about the Miami International Boat Show. Your name?
Emma Burston.
And your name?
Victoria Rodriguez.
And yeah, I'm going to give you some information, so 1 second. So some quick facts. The title of the exhibition is Discovering Boating, Miami International Boat Show. There's a link right there. Dates and location, it goes from February 12th to the 16th, and it's at the Miami Beach Convention Center and nearby marinas in Miami. Primary objective of the show, the main objective of the Miami International Boat Show is to showcase the newest boats, marine technology, and the boating equipment. The event allows marine companies to promote their products, connect with potential buyers, and highlight innovatives in the boating industry. The type of exhibition is a consumer show. I'm going to pass it over to Emma now. She's going to give you some more info.
Okay, now we're going to talk about the target industry, exhibitors, and attendees. So the target industry is usually people who are interested in boating, people who enjoy boat manufacturers, luxury yachts, marine technology, and water sports equipment. The Miami International Boat Show focuses on the recreational boating and marine industry. It features companies involved in boats, luxury yachts, marine technology, and water sports equipment. The show attracts boating enthusiasts, yacht buyers, and industry professionals from around the world. Some exhibitors include companies like Marine Max, Ferretti Group, Princess Yachts, and Nautical Ventures, which you can see I listed right there. And a quick fact is over 1,000 to 100,000 attendees from around the world go to this boat show. Now we're going to talk about the exhibition manager and organizers, which I just talked about on the last slide. But who attends are usually boat buyers, boat enthusiasts, marine industry professionals, dealers and distributors, and some of the examples of these exhibitors are Yama Motor Company, Sea Ray, Boston Wheeler, and Garmin. Now I'm going to pass it to Tori Rod.
So on my side did venue and faculty information. So the Miami International Boat Show is organized by the National Marine Manufacturers Association, which represents the boating industry in North America. The event takes place at the Miami Beach Convention Center and nearby the marina location where large boats and yachts are displayed in the water. The venue provides services such as security, cleaning, equipment, internet, and utilities for the exhibitors. And then on the next slide, pricing information. Exhibitor fees for the Miami Boat Show vary depending on booth size and location, but they can cost several $1,000s. Companies displaying large boats in the marina spaces may pay even more. The attendees will typically pay around $40 to $50 for the daily ticket. Overall, the Miami International Boat Show is an important event that connects marine companies with consumers and promotes innovation in the boating industry. And that's our Miami International.
And that is our project.
Bye.
Thank you. Enjoy.